Zero angle of attack, your stagnation point stays at your trailing edge. Correct? What I tell you about the stagnation point is the point at which the wing just juts off. Can you see that curve? Small curve, right?
Yeah.
That is what you call a stagnation point. At zero angle of attack, it's next to the trailing edge. Now I say when you keep on increasing the angle of attack, it's going to move aft, right?
Yeah.
So watch that curve. Can you see it moving?
Yeah.
Ahead. That is what I basically meant by what I told you guys. Okay. Now, you guys have your manual on you. Yeah. Now you have this tabular column here. Alpha at CL equal to 0. CL stands for coefficient of lift. Now, when will your coefficient of lift be equal to 0? When your lift is 0. Okay.
Stall.
When will lift be equal to 0?
When it stalls. Stalls.
No. When it stalls, how can
sound.
lift be equal? What is stall angle? Stall angle is not the angle at which there is no lift. It's the angle at which your separation point starts coming back down.
Yeah. To max.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now, by the theorem I told you guys, that Katta-Jaworski theorem, lift is directly proportional to circulation. So lift will be 0 when circulation is 0. Okay? When will circulation? What is circulation? It's these vortices being produced here. When this is 0, there is no lift. So, you guys are going to be finding the angle at which all those vortices disappear. So watch, this is how it is. It's reducing. It will slowly reduce and they're gone. Now, don't get confused. Alpha, we are finding the angle of attack and coefficient of lift equal to 0. That does not mean alpha is 0. It can be a particular angle of attack. This is a particular angle of attack. It will be very minute, 1 degree, 2 degrees or something like that. But it's not, alpha is not 0. Only the lift is 0. That's basically what you guys are going to be doing. Okay? You guys can have a seat.